Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to create Crunchyroll account using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for Crunchyroll. Okay? So now just go ahead and click on the first link or the crunchyroll.com. Okay. So now just go ahead and click on the account button or icon at the upper right side of your screen and click on create account. So join for free or go premium. So it really depends if you want to subscribe on their premium account. So now just go ahead and type your email address as well as your password. Okay, so that is my email address. And I'm just gonna type my password. And now just go ahead and click on create account. So here to fully enjoy Crunchyroll, please verify your email address. So before I will verify my email address, I'm just gonna finish these simple steps, okay? So now I'm just gonna put my username. So I'm just gonna click randomize, but you can also customize your username, okay? Here, so this is fine with me. So here, as you can see, you won't be able to change your username after confirming, so choose wisely. Your avatar can be changed at any time. So you can change your avatar by clicking the change avatar button here, and you need to make sure that your avatar is downloaded on your device. So I'm just gonna leave it like this because I like this avatar. So the next thing that you want to do is to click on continue to Crunchyroll. So here again, please verify your email address. So now I already have my account. So the last thing that I should do is to verify my email address. So now I'm just going to search for gmail.com. And here you should see the sent link to verification link about your email. So just go ahead and click on that. You can see it at the upper part of your screen. And now open your Gmail account. And we just need to wait. And here, as you can see, there's the Crunchyroll email. So I'm just going to click on that. So now confirm email address. You can also copy and paste the following link into your browser to confirm your email. So I'm just gonna click on it, but you can also do the copy and paste here on your search bar, okay? So let's just wait for it. So here, verification email has expired. So that means that I should this one. So I should ask for another link or check your email for latest link that Crunchyroll sent you. Okay. So here, as you can see, it is not expired. So it says account successfully verified. So you can click here to log into back here on Crunchyroll. Okay. So after confirming your email address on Crunchyroll, you can now enjoy your Crunchyroll account on your device. Okay? So that's it. That is how you create your Crunchyroll account using your computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.